Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and this fantastic video is about 5 life hacks which will speed up and improve your work. The first advice from me to you guys is not to stick with low quality drill bit. I advise you guys to choose the best I have ever used, the barrel drill bit for gel polish and gel product removal. The next life hack: when you take the new file, just shape it to the other file to make it a little bit blunted, and this way you will save your client's skin and you will not cut it. And the second life hack: you know guys, sometimes drill bits, especially Chinese drill bits, they vibrate in your e-file. To solve this problem, you can take the barrel drill bit, the old one barrel drill bit, and cut the file with this drill bit, and you will see that the barrel drill bit easily cut even iron. The next tip from me: you know guys, you can use the large balls and such strawberry large strawberry drill bits for removing the cuticles. And as you can see, we can do it easily with the soft skin. And not only small drill bits can do it, you can easily work with the large size drill bits. And the next tip from me, guys, is using the special sculpting mix gel, which can be easily used for sculpting gel nails. And also use small brush, not large brush, because using small brush you can easily play with the drop of the gel. Just try and you will see that it's very easy and nails will be looking beautiful after sculpting. the next tip, you can easily work with the ball gel bead, small ball gel bead, on the final processing, because it works perfectly with the soft skin. And the next tip, guys, you can use high pigmented white gel paint for the French manicure from shapeofnail.com, and after you can drop some gel paint, simple gel paint from with other colors, and when you place one to the other, you will have such beautiful effect of mixing colors. You can order only one bottle of gel paint and you will have free shipping. I mean, you don't need to order a lot of products to get free shipping. So guys, it's time for revealing shots. What do you think about this artistic and elegant nail design? Please don't forget to click that like button if you like it and write down your comments. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. All products and tools you can order on shapeofnail.com and use products that I've got and I'm using for many years. See you tomorrow.